Hey guys, and welcome to another segment of Drawing with the Rouser. And today, guys, I'm going to draw a quick caricature drawing of Priyanka Chopra. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to start with our basic head shape here. Watch this. This is the easiest way to get that drawing down. You want to do this and then put a little neck like that, right? Okay. And then watch what we do here. We're going to take this shape here. Right, just like so. Then we're going to draw a little split in the middle right there, right? And then this is what we're going to do. We're going to follow our head shape. Okay. Now, let's bring our shape down to where we want it to be at. So we're going to skip down to here. Okay, get it? And then we'll add layers to it. Okay, you get it? And then we're going to come over here and we're going to add this layer and that layer, right? And then we're going to add this layer here. Little shape once more here. And then we're going to add another little shape like so. So once again, guys, we want to get that overall idea first. And then once we have the overall idea, pretty much home free, guys. It doesn't have to be exact. As long as it looks kind of cool. Has to be kind of cool. Alright, now let's go ahead and start doing our facial features. So we'll do something like this. Right? Right, and we'll go ahead and we'll add our eye shape in, right, just like so. Okay, and now once we have that, this is what we do. Watch. Okay. Right. You see that right there? Then we add our eye shape or our lashes, right? Little thing over the eye. And we'll put some more little lashes down here, just like so. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to put our nose shape here. So we wanted to have a really small little nose. She has a small nose. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my smile. So with the smile, what I would do here, right? Something like that. Right? And then over here I would do something like this. You want to keep it real simple. Okay? And then we'll put our little teeth line in there. And then we'll put our little bottom lip here. Just like so. Okay. And now let's just put a gum line there. Just a little bit of one. Not too much. And now we're going to start to darken in our brow line. Want to make those nice and dark. And I want to add some more to the lashes there. Before we start getting into our shading part, when we start doing this shading, it's gonna get pretty awesome pretty fast. So, alright, let's give her some little round cheeks, just a little bit here on this side too. Okay. All right, and then now we'll just go ahead and put a little shirt there or something, and some shoulders. Maybe some little flowers on her dress. Okay. All right, now guys, let's go ahead and do the actual shading. Okay, so we're going to take a gray marker here. All right. We're going to add a little bit of shadows to our drawing, so we're going to do something like this here. We don't want to make it too dark here. Okay. Shadow here between the eyes, right? And we're going to put a little bit around the nose, and we're going to fix our lips up real nice here. Okay, and then we're going to do a little shadow line here for her lipstick. It's the easiest way to learn how to do caricature, guys, is just to watch what I do and then follow, and then use it when you're drawing caricatures of whoever you want to draw. Use these techniques, use these ideas. I don't mind. I give you permission to use these ideas. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and just surround this part here and this over here. Okay, man, that looks great. Now, we're going to go ahead and start doing the hair. So I'm going to use this marker here. And we're going to start doing a little bit of a shadow job here. So I'm just going to kind of bring my line down some here. Okay. Secret to the hair, use a dried out marker. Make sure your marker's a little dried out. And this is a poster marker. So you can use poster marker to do this with. This way you can control how much of the marker is going down on the paper. Right? Because if you use a marker that's all the way brand new, it's going to be hard to get this type of gradient, this type of control for your marker. So once again, I do advise you to keep your dried out markers and use them to bring art to the world. Just because they're dried out doesn't mean you gotta throw them away. Okay, so I'm almost done here, guys, with my hair. I'm just once again bringing it on down here. And you'll see I'm going to do a neat little trick after this. I know she has different tones in her hair almost, right? So what we're going to do is we switch over to our fully charged up marker here, like this one. Watch what we do now. We use it. But we use it strategically, right? See how I used it there? Right? See? And this really brings out the shape of her face, just like we want it. Right, see how we did it? No problem. Okay, so I think we could add a few more little lines. I'll use use my regular marker here. Right. And this just gives us a little bit of direction lines in the hair, right? Okay. And let's go ahead and just bring this little line in just a little bit more. When I have our eyebrows on fleek, you see how I want to get that fleekness in there, right? And pretty much, guys, I think we're done here. Okay, so all we have to do is we're going to go ahead and sign our work. And I'm going to go ahead and put our name here. So we'll just put it like kind of right here on the top right here. So we'll just I want to thank you guys for watching the video tutorial. I hope your Priyanka came out pretty good. If you want to see your favorite celebrity drawn and featured on our show, just leave a message in the comment section, and perhaps we can draw a celebrity caricature for you as well. So guys, I enjoyed. Thanks for watching once again. Like and subscribe. I'll be seeing you next time.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.